Hi guys, it's a new video about the TikTok application, and right now I will show you how to share sound on TikTok. So guys, let's open the TikTok application, and for example you really like the sound of this video. Okay, and you don't want to share the whole video with your friend, for example, and you want to create the sound list. No problem, but how to do it? You just need to tap on this sound icon at the bottom panel of the screen, and here we have the share option at the right corner of the screen. Let's click on it, please. Well done, let's send this sound to your friend. You can also send it to the chat on TikTok using the first bar, and you can use other programs at the Telegram, Reddit, Facebook, Snapchat, etc. Also, don't forget about certain options like report and QR code of the sound, but I really like this option to send the sound to yourself. This is our account. Let's click on it. You can also write some message with the sound, for example, I like it, and send. Voila! Let's check the results. So we need to go to the inbox. And right now we have the new message. I like it because it's, as you can see guys, it's our account, so we have shared with ourselves the sound, and after clicking on the message we will have the whole video of the sounds. This is the sound I shared before. Let's click on it, and we have the sound. To, for example, listen to this music, you need to tap on the play, okay, at the bottom, at the top. Nice! I hope guys that this short tutorial was definitely very useful and interesting. Don't forget to like this video if it was, to subscribe to our channel to find even more cool tricks about the TikTok and other programs guys. And goodbye! Good luck!